Cesar here, and welcome back to the summit. And I just wanted to make this video. And this video today, I'm going to be talking about how you can leverage done for you campaigns in order to scale your affiliate marketing endeavors, to scale your efforts. It's going to help you save money and help you save time, and most importantly, it's going to help you make money. And today, I'm going to be talking about a marketing automation tool that I use personally, and it's helped me so much. It's called Kartra. And what Kartra is, it's an all-in-one marketing platform. Instead of going to, utilizing so many different tools, you have everything all in one place for you to use. And the best thing about Kartra is that they have done for you campaigns already built. They have funnels already created for you. So it's plug and play. You can just upload the campaign to your account, and you can start tinkering around with it, editing the content, editing the information, and you can have your funnel up and running in just a couple of hours. So right now, I am inside of Kartra right now, and let's check out a campaign here right now. So we have all these different types of done for you campaigns already built. You have one-page sales, cohesion campaigns, list building campaigns if you want to build your list. You have book funnels, quick launches if you have a launch or you have an e-commerce business. You have all these different types of launches and campaigns that are inside of Kartra that you can utilize to your advantage. All right, hey guys, so I'm inside of Kartra. I imported a campaign, a done for you campaign in Kartra, downloaded it. It was quick and simple. And now I'm on one of the landing pages. So right here, we're on this page. It's a simple opt-in page. Everything is already completed for you. All you have to do is plug and play. The buttons, they have the buttons here that you can edit the buttons. Click the pencil here. You can add links. You can add different kinds of effects into the button. Change the text, say download now. Apply, and it automatically does that for you. As a pop-up form, so if you want to link it to another aspect of your page, you can link it to a pop-up form. You can configure the pop-up form. It's going to take you to wherever that you want it to take it to, wherever you want the link to take you. And there's just so many different varieties and options available for you to utilize in Kartra in order for you to get the results that you need. So if I exit here, there's also mobile view. So if you want to see, what your page looks like in mobile, then you can look at it in mobile view. And you can tinker around with that, see which way best works for you. Also tablet mode. And there's so many different varieties and options available. If you want to add a help desk, if you want to add any additional code that you want in the pages. If you want to style it up, look at the page styles here. And you can style the page however that you want. If you want to change the background, you can make it red. Can make it red. Can make it all different, any color that you want. Here we go. And yeah, there's just so many options available for you to use in Kartra to really get the effect that you're looking for. All right, guys, so here we're at the opt-in page, and this is done for you, came with the package that I downloaded from Kartra, and it's everything you need here. So they already have the opt-in form created. The buttons are already created. All you have to do is edit the text. You can change the image to whatever that you want it to be. And it's the beautiful thing about it, again, it's all done for you. You don't have to create anything. You just have to edit out whatever it is that you need, bring some traffic, and boom, you're ready to go. You're ready to get some emails in. You're ready to get leads into your business. And this is going to allow you to save so much time and so much money. There's, again, like I was saying before, there's so many different tools out there that's specifically to build landing pages or specifically to look at email sequences. And everything is here all together for seamless integration. You don't need to go from one source to another source. Everything is here. So yeah, opt-in forms are all available, done for you in Kartra. Hey guys, so this is a one-time offer page done for you on Kartra. This is after your customer purchases from you. They are directed to a one-time offer page, and at the one-time offer page, which is done for you in Kartra, you can add whatever video that you want to display to your lead who purchased from you. And you can change the text here. This is obviously for an upsell here, so you can have a link that they can go to if they want to upgrade, or if they're not interested, then they can be directed to another page. So this is all done for you in Kartra, very convenient. And all you have to do is just edit the information, put your own stuff in there, and you're going to be able to be ready to go, collecting leads and generating revenue for your business. So just wanted to show you guys this in Kartra, so you guys can utilize and scale your business. Okay guys, so let's talk about the email sequences. I know there's a lot of different software out there specifically geared towards automating your emails, sending out emails through scheduling them at a certain time, so your list, your audience can receive emails from you. And the wonderful thing about Kartra is that it's all there for you in the system, in the software. They have a email automation component in their software, so you can send out emails automated. You can create email sequences. This is a done for you email sequence that comes with the done for you funnel. They have email sequences done for you, so you can easily edit them. So you hover over here, you click on edit, and you have the email content here. All you have to do is just put your information in here, and you're gonna have your own emails ready to go. It's super easy to create them as well. If you want to just send an email, you can just drag and drop. Everything is drag and drop with Kartra, and you can just set up everything that you need to set up. It takes like 30 seconds to set this up, and you can have your own emails ready to go. You can set up when you want the emails to go out and at what specific time, and everything is here for you to leverage and to utilize to scale your business. And this is going to save you a lot of time. You don't have to worry about when you need to send this email or when to send this email. The system takes care of it all for you. And you don't also have to worry about linking it to other different software. Everything's already in Kartra for you to link your products to your email sequences. So everything is in one place. It's organized, less stress. So we go to this email. You can click it, edit it, view the content, edit your information, put your email information, your name. If you want to clone an email, you can just click clone. You want to delete it, you can delete it. And all you have to do is drag and drop this. And you can connect here, and then it's going to be connected with this email sequence. So there's many different tools that you can utilize to best maximize your email marketing effectiveness utilizing Kartra. And they have a lot of great materials and educational materials that you can leverage and utilize, so you can learn how to do this and be really good at it. Okay guys, so I went over how to utilize done for you campaigns in Kartra to leverage scale time and save money with Kartra and utilizing the done for you templates and resources, products, so you can scale your business. So I was just talking about the training and how you're going to learn all of these things. And Kartra has an excellent training program called Kartra, and Kartra has videos and information and infographics, text that are going to help you learn how to use these materials. So if you want to create a list, which tools you need exactly, and which sections in Kartra you need to go to in order to do that. They have wonderful information here that you're going to be able to use to best maximize your effectiveness. It's super easy to learn. I've utilized this numerous times, and I know you guys are going to be using these tools to really scale your business by using Kartra. It's going to be fantastic. I've used these services, these tools. I can tell you that Kartra is definitely the best one on the market. So with that being said, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you want to sign up for Kartra, there's going to be a link for a 14-day free trial to Kartra, so you guys can get signed up, start utilizing Kartra. There's going to be a link somewhere next to the session where you guys can get signed up. It's a wonderful, wonderful program that you can utilize and leverage your time, your energy, your money. So your business can get off the ground. It can get off the ground a lot faster. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'm Malcolm Cesar, and I'll see you guys in the next session.